From daily necessities like clothing, food, housing, and transportation to cutting-edge aerospace technology, plastics have unlocked boundless possibilities for modern life. Behind this lies the precise, reliable, and efficient power of manufacturing. TAYU Plastic Machinery is deeply rooted in every corner of this vibrant world, providing silent support and driving innovation. This innovative force stems from 2 decades of unwavering focus and accumulated expertise. Since its establishment in 2003, TAYU has been committed to delivering high-performance equipment to customers. Through in-depth cooperation with leading German injection molding machine manufacturers and renowned Japanese lean management experts, TAYU has emerged as an industry pioneer. As a national high-tech enterprise, TAYU has grown into a global innovation and a manufacturing hub for vertical injection molding machines after over 20 years of innovative development. Its product range is extensive. Injection volumes span from 5 grams to 30,000 grams, and clamping forces range from 12 tons to 2,500 tons, providing comprehensive support for global manufacturing. With an annual production capacity of over 4,000 units and products characterized by high efficiency, stability, and precision, TAYU has not only earned market acclaim, but also secured the top spot in China's industry top 5 ranking for consecutive years from 2023 to 2025. I tell you, all our work revolves around one core: creating competitiveness for customers. This competitiveness originates from a profound understanding of customer needs. We fully implemented QCD, continuous improvement, as a fundamental principle for factory survival. Through large-scale production, we provide customers with high-performance products at affordable prices. We have adopted and strictly complied with ISO management systems, obtained certifications such as CE from SGS, and serve customers worldwide. We listen to the voice from diverse markets and strive to be a trustworthy partner in the global market with outstanding products and services.
Choosing TAYU as a partner wasn't just about buying machines. It was about choosing a strategic partner for growth. Their technology gives us a competitive edge in our market, and that's a promise they deliver on every day. So we always trust in TAYU, in their support, in their technology, and in the quality.
Recently we bought vertical injection molding machines from TAYU. Not only are the machines very robust, but they are value for money. I highly recommend you to buy these machines because your ROI improves with them.
Hi, I'm Wolf. I bought a special vertical molding machine from TAYU nobody else could do. Their local service and technical support is excellent. They are much more than a supplier. They are a true friend.
We deeply understand that your success is our greatest achievement. Our footprint is deeply embedded in the pulse of the world's top manufacturing industries, from gram-scale precision parts to ton-scale heavy-duty cabinets. TAYU's full-range solutions meet the extensive needs of global manufacturing. With solid craftsmanship and leading technology, we ensure every piece of equipment creates maximum value on our production line. Years of technical accumulation, pursuit of excellence, and the application of advanced design software such as SOLIDWORKS have fostered TAYU's profound innovative spirit and remarkable achievements. Meanwhile, high-end precision machine tools ensure the efficient and high-precision manufacturing of core components, laying a solid foundation for the excellent performance of the entire machine. Our engineers work rigorously, standardizedly, and joyfully, infusing life and vitality into every machine. Each machine undergoes operational testing until all data and functions meet standards before delivery, ensuring every machine from TAYU's factory boasts world-class quality. Exceptional machines come from an exceptional team. Visiting customers highly recognize TAYU's technology, professionalism, production capacity, and quality. We are committed to building a platform for learning, growth, and win-win cooperation. where the wisdom of our individual converges into a powerful driving force for the company's development. Rooted in China, we serve customers worldwide, honors and milestones of the past and new starting points for the future. TAYU Plastic Machinery will continue to take innovation as its driving force and customers as its focus. Expanding our global service network, TAYU Plastic Machinery, creating competitiveness for customers. We look forward to working with you to shape a more brilliant future.